Introduction. Hello and welcome to this AI tutorial on how to earn money from AI. In today's video, we will be discussing various ways to make money through the use of artificial intelligence. Body. First, let's talk about building AI-powered products. With the increasing demand for AI-powered products, there is a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs to create products that use AI. Some examples include chatbots, virtual assistants, and predictive analytics software. These products can be sold to businesses or directly to consumers. Secondly, you can monetize your AI skills through freelancing. As an AI expert, you can offer your services to companies looking to integrate AI into their operations. This can include tasks such as data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing. Another way to make money from AI is through investing. There are several AI-focused companies that are publicly traded, and investing in these companies can be a great way to make money as the AI industry continues to grow. Lastly, you can create and sell AI-related courses or tutorials. With the increasing demand for AI-related knowledge, creating and selling online courses or tutorials can be a great way to make money. You can create courses on machine learning, deep learning, or natural language processing and sell them on online learning platforms such as Udemy or Coursera. Conclusion. So there you have it, 4 ways to make money from AI. Whether you choose to build AI-powered products, freelance your skills, invest in AI-focused companies, or create and sell AI-related courses, the opportunities for making money from AI are endless. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and wish you the best of luck on your AI money-making journey.